Ebi byagamba orukurro kurambura amashomero ahabwa Shema District Sempa Muzafaru arukuhayo obutumwa bwo kutandika tamu ya kabiri etandikira omunyuruzano gw'oburwire bwa Ebola.
Rero muranga abazire nimbeshengereza kandi bihanangiriza strictly mutakaza kuteka abahiti cyazi bito ahaninga ngo mwenda futahira abana ngo mwenda kureba abana arabazire abishitwire kijya mutima kugira ngo umwana we yamaresa adatamwine atabona nari kwetera hansi kubaruka hati endware yo nebasa kumukwiha umwana oburene n'icyo wamugasa nahabwe cyo kwenda kwirinde ibyo byona umuzire gumowanyuka n'umwana guma yishomero nabwanyima egendwara tubase kugirinda
haroha amashomero gutwahikamu omu district ya Shema okureba kubetebekana isokushomesa beji omu bwiro bw'endwara ya Ebola.
Abashomesa bamanyisibwe umwana narebyigwa kureba ngo yakoze sanitizer abukuba naba interaction mpango kandi nabwe tugeza gukora mu clinic aba facilitated kureba ngo nansi aine masks aine sanitizers kumara aine temperature gani kurangu obana nibacheberwa temperatures most of the time.
Tekateka ngo abazire ministore mpango kukananisha babazire babe jabo abatakagira ishomero mwije mureta abana ishomero bamuke agwa gutamu n'ibiro byayo
haruhabeja batugira ngo bashomesi bw'ekibine kukora okukingira endwara ya Ebola.
The principal of the center has promoted some of the measures to prevent the pandemic, whereby they are provided washing facilities on each and every class, on the dormitory entries, everywhere, and we have been provided with sanitizers. So after using something, after doing anything, we always sanitize.
And we should always wash our hands. We don't shake hands with every person. We should always live in a clean sanitation, and we should always do proper sanitations where we sleep.
Homuru Bushenyi aharubwira nyanjigaru zino bashaba baziro kuba barekere kwija amashomero baba bateserwe inkomuringo wo kukingira indwara ya Ebola.
N'ikipande cyo katucitiraho kugira ngo abazire barugiretingo kuba kwije mu ishomero abo kubeye birono bibi mwene cyacu tari kintu cyamana cyukureto mu ishomero no basa kutera kasumu tukugarikemo twenda tugezeho kureba ngo twarugiretinga abantu abafitaho mu ishomero mwabwato kama n'umuntu kuyijari
okwabeje nabo batebekanisi bo kwirinda indwara ya Ebola iriyo neteganisi hanga
twatandikiraho abana wizo abazo mu class kandi byanyukarikira mu byo tubyetekatekire utabo tubine abashomesa bakatunga retouring
nyonko muntu itebekanise gumani nabengaro bonisha ibene inafuna kosa sanitizer nyinji nkishomero amashomero ishomero ryitu shabere buriyomo kwijana sanitizer.
Yeah, what I can tell every student is that they should wear their masks, sanitize and keep social distance.
Abantu abarwira indwara ya Ebola bahika mushanje mu Uganda yona bwanyuma y'abashaho babiri kukwatwa kandi omuyangari ya Kongo ahibondo buryo strain komokire abantu abarukurenga mu 200 bafire kandi abarukurenga mu 12 n'ubonero bw'indwara ya Ebola gasha kwa mayiko atwakire.